Chapter 5. Subtraction of smaller numbers. Get ready. In earlier classes, we have already learnt about the subtraction of numbers. Here, we will study more about subtraction of smaller numbers and word problems based on subtraction. When some things are taken away from a group or collection, they are said to be subtracted. The minus sign shows subtraction, and equals says same as or equal to. For example, there are 7 mangoes on a tree. 3 are plucked by the monkey. So, how many mangoes are left on the tree? From 7, take away 3, we get 4. We write it as 7 minus 3 equals 4. We read it as 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Keep in mind, taking away is termed as subtraction. Solve these subtraction sums. From 6, take away 3, we get. From 5, take away 2 we get. From 8, take away 1 we get. Subtraction of 0. When we subtract 0 from any number, the answer is the number itself. There are 5 apples. None is eaten. 5 apples are left. So, 5 minus 0 equals 5. Subtraction of 1. When we subtract 1 from any number, the answer is the number just before the given number. There are 5 balloons. Shiva took 1 balloon. 4 balloons are left. So, 5 minus 1 equals 4. Subtracting a number from itself. When we subtract any number from itself, the answer is always 0. Sona had 5 flowers. She gave all 5 flowers to Mona. Sona has no flowers left with her. So, 5 minus 5 equals 0. Keep in mind, subtracting 0 from a number, we get the same number. Subtracting 1 from a number, we get the number just before it. Subtracting a number from itself, we always get 0. Subtract the numbers. Subtraction in row and column. We can subtract the numbers in 2 ways. Subtraction in row. We have learned subtraction by crossing the number of objects. We can subtract the numbers by writing them in a row, that is, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Subtraction in column. We can also subtract the numbers by writing them one below the other in a column, that is, 5 minus 3 equals 2. Subtract the following. Tricky maths. Look at the pictures, write plus or minus in the circles and find out the answer. Subtraction by counting backward. Let us count backward and do the subtraction. 16 minus 4. Count backward from 16, go back by 4 numbers. 16 minus 4 equals 12. 20 minus 7. Count backward from 20. Go back by 7 numbers. 20 minus 7 equals 13. Subtract the following by counting backward. Subtraction by crossing out objects. Look at this example. 14 minus 5. There are 14 pencils. 5 pencils are crossed out as 5 is to be subtracted from 14. We are left with 9 pencils. So, 14 minus 5 equals 9. Cross out the pictures and find the answers. Subtraction by drawing lines and crossing them out. Cross out the lines and write the answer. 12 minus 5. So, 12 minus 5 equals 7. Subtraction using the number strip. Subtract 8 from 17. Look at the number strip. Keep your finger on 17 and move backward 8 steps. You will reach at 9. So, 17 minus 8 equals 9. Subtract the following by drawing lines and crossing them out. Use the number strip to find the answer. Number stories. Read and understand this number story. There were 12 balloons. Yash came and burst 7 balloons. How many were left? So, 12 minus 7 equals 5. So, 5 balloons were left. Solve these number stories. There were 12 birds on a tree. 5 of them flew away. How many were left? There were 17 frogs in a pond. 8 of them went away. How many were left? Suyash has 18 stamps and Mohit has 6 stamps. How many more stamps Suyash has? There are 19 bananas. 9 bananas were eaten. How many bananas were left?